Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Crescent Feli. It's good to have you here. Today guys, I'm going to be creating a smoky eye look inspired by this look by Eve Mungai. So stay tuned for that and let's get started. I'm going to use this mirror and starting off with my eyebrows. For this look guys, I'm not going to be filling my eyebrows in because they are already full as you can see, and because I'm creating a smoky eye look, so I don't want to look so dark. Okay, yeah.
And silently it could build and build until
After brushing my brows off, I'm using this primer to prime my face.
no exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems.
As the primer is drying, I'm going to use this Elegant Pro Concealer to clean up my brows. It's in the shade Cool Tan, and then I'm going to be using this small brush.
Into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't see.
Normally, I would clean this lower part of the brow from the outer corner halfway using this concealer, and then the other half I would use my shadow foundation so that it can look more natural. But because today I'm doing a smoky eye look, I'm just going all the way.
A little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear.
I'm applying the concealer all over the lid as the base for the eyeshadow.
Fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to.
It's important to set the concealer on the lids with some powder before applying the eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, I'm using this Miss Rose palette.
Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me.
I'm going to use this black shade and mixing it with this other kind of brown shade. I'm applying them on the outer corner of the eye.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money,
I'm going to apply this kind of brown shade on the middle of the lid.
I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to?
I'm kind of loving this smoky vibe. I don't know about you guys, but let me know in the comment section.
And then invest all of my time.
I'm using the same brush to blend them together, making sure that there are no harsh lines. And then I'm going in with this shimmer shade on the inner corners of the eyelid.
Then that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna.
I have noticed that every look I create must have this shimmer shade on the inner corners. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I will try to make another look with not this shimmer shade. I don't know if I will make it, but I'll try.
Grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then.
This is a 2-in-1. It has mascara and the liner.
One day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I'm going to use this Milani Matte liquid foundation.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
If you guys love anything to do with beauty, skincare, styling, fashion, makeup tutorials, anything like that, you are in the right place. And you have not subscribed yet, I would really love to see you do that. Please subscribe to enjoy more of that.
Have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy. It was built to be rough, but that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters, and we ain't got nothing.
And now this is where I clean up my upper part of the brow using my foundation so that it can look more natural and also for easier blending.
Up to your greatness, famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always.
I'm still using foundation to clean up this part so that it can look
I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change.
It feels so fulfilling to see everything coming along. I love this look. I'm loving it.
So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything. It's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
For contour, I'm using this shade from my eyeshadow palette. Not to forget blush from the palette again. I'm using some powder to set everything. For my setting spray, I'm using rose water. For the highlighter, I'm using a shimmer shade from the Miss Rose palette, and for the lips, I'm using this lip gloss underneath the lipstick.
Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boy, you love with the cold hard hatred.
For the lipstick, I'm using this Huda Beauty in the number 19.
Sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness.
On the V part of the lips, I'm just highlighting using a shimmer shade from the palette. And voila, guys, I'm loving this look. Tell me in the comment section what you think about it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.